morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. I am coming up with solution of differential equations. As you know, differential equation is the ultimate subject. Every research ends with the differential equation. It's very, very important. It is also used in engineering classes. It is also used in plus 2, IIT, JEE and NDA and other competition examinations. So, how to find the solution of differential equations? That will be coming up next. First of all, what is a solution? That we will be discussing today. And I shall be coming up with my notes. And you will find this is very, very simple. And once you learn this, then other things will become very easy. So this is a very, very important topic. And I hope you will try to understand this and you will come out with flying colors. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have come up with solution of differential equations. ये कुछ नहीं होता, सिर्फ y की वैल्यू होती है. y क्या होता है? इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. And look here, there are several examples on this side. y is equal to mx plus c. देखिए m और c यहाँ पे आर्बिट्रेरी कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं. दिस इज नोन एज जनरल सोल्यूशन. जिसके अंदर आर्बिट्रेरी कॉन्स्टेंट्स होंगे दैट इज जनरल सोल्यूशन. एंड व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन? सोल्यूशन मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ y. अब अगर हम ये जो आर्बिट्रेरी कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं उनको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं परमानेंट कॉन्स्टेंट से. सपोजिंग m is 1, c is 0, it will become y is equal to x. If we put m is equal to 1, c is equal to 1, it will become y is equal to x plus 1. So these are particular solutions. So solutions are to two types: general solution, particular solution. General solution is the one which contains arbitrary constants like this. It contains arbitrary constants. And what is the particular solution? Solution free from arbitrary constant is called the general solution. Look here. These are the particular solutions. इसके अंदर आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट खत्म हो गए. m खत्म हो गया, c खत्म हो गया. m की जगह 1 लग गया है, c की जगह 0. इन दिस केस m की जगह 1 लग गया, c की जगह 1 लग गया. It becomes y is equal to x plus 1. There is no m and c. Arbitrary constants खत्म हो गए. It becomes a particular solution. Now we'll go with some more examples. Whether it is a solution of differential equation, we have to find whether it is a solution of the differential equation or not. Before we go there, I have made a comparison. On one side, this is algebraic equations, and on the other side, these are differential equations. Now, let us discuss one by one. Supposing x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 is the solution. Substitute it in the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6. When you substitute, it satisfies. Yes, 2 is the solution. When you substitute 3, it satisfies. Both sides will become equal to 0. Yes, 3 is the solution. Same way, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 5. Let us check. X is equal to 2 gives you 28 equal to 0. This is not the solution. This is not the solution. And When you substitute minus 5, 0 is equal to 0, yes, it satisfies, it is the solution. X is equal to 5, x is equal to 10. Let us check whether they satisfies. Yes, both of them satisfy. Substitute x is equal to 5 here, x is equal to 10 here. Now let us go to the differential equations. Supposing the given function is y equal to e raised to power x plus 1. What is y? Y is the solution. क्या ये इसका solution है? Differential equation is given to you. Y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. We have to find whether y satisfies this or not, like algebraic equations. अब देखिए इसके अंदर दो डेरिवेटिव हैं, पहले फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव है फिर सेकंड डेरिवेटिव है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y? इट इज y dash. What is the derivative of e raised to power x? It is e raised to power x. What is the derivative of 1? It is 0. So y dash has come e raised to power x. Now let us find the second derivative. डेरिवेटिव का डेरिवेटिव, तारीख पे तारीख. अब देखिए दूसरा डेरिवेटिव निकालो. y डैश का डेरिवेटिव, y डैश का डेरिवेटिव y डबल डैश, e raised to power x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to power x. Now we have the value of y dash, we have got the value of y double dash. Let us substitute in equation number 1. It satisfies. Yes, it is the solution of this differential equation. Y की value क्या होती है? Solution. So it is the solution because it satisfies. So e raised to power x plus 1 is the solution of y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. This is what I wanted to teach you today. I shall be coming up with 3 methods of finding the solution of differential equations tomorrow. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.